Economics, Management Sciences and Business Studies lessons by Ntombi Kongo. This week's lesson is based on the national budget, mainly for grade 8. Introduction. This week's lesson is going to be based on the economy and the national budget. The economy, the national budget. In February, the Minister of Finance delivers a national budget for the upcoming year. The National Treasury draws up a detailed summary of the nation's budget, and it delivers it in Parliament. National budget. A budget is a plan on how an income is going to be spent. There are two parts to a budget: an income and expenditure. The National Treasury and the Reserve Bank collect all the budgets and breakdowns from all the ministries and departments. They then create a detailed plan for the nation. The economy, national budget, income and expenditure. The income of the nation comes from taxes. They need to decide how much tax they need to collect to cover all the expenditure. There may be a surplus or a deficit. A surplus is when they have money left over after a financial year. A deficit is when they have more expenses than they have in income. Economy, national budget, taxes, the income. The main income of the government is derived from taxes. There are two types of taxes: direct and indirect tax. Direct tax is income tax, company tax, transfer duties, and corporate income tax. Income tax. Indirect taxes, goods and services. They collect tax via VAT, value added tax, custom duties, and fuel levy. Other forms of taxes come from loans, donations, administration income, commercial income, sales from properties. Expenditure. The main expenses of the government is on education, health, housing, social grant, transport, and national security. The main aim of government's national budget is to show transparency on how the income of the nation will be spent. The government's role is to ensure there is economic growth, poverty is eradicated, skills are developed, and the country is a fair and a striving society. We have come to the end of this week's lesson. The key words that we have learned in this lesson are as follows: budget, income, expenditure, tax, direct tax, indirect tax, Reserve Bank, National Treasury, banks, property income, loans, and donations. Thank you very much for listening and learning business studies in economics, management sciences with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Economics, Management Science and Business Study lessons by Ntombi Kongo.